Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. For all of you that think that being a grandpa is nothing but pony rides and playing with tractors, we have to handle all the appliances involved in baby raising. And if you haven't seen one of these and you have children, then you're gonna. This is a potty chair. Now the potty chair comes with a noisemaker because everything these days has got to have batteries. I think it's a requirement of the industry that everything that you get for your child has to have at least 2D batteries in it. Or 2 AA batteries in this case. And they ship it with 2 batteries that they say in the packaging. Well, you know, those are only temporary. You're going to have to change those out. So even though they supply batteries, the batteries probably don't work. So when I got home with this tonight, because the little guy is coming down to visit this weekend, and he has gotten old enough that he's able to use one of these on his own. And we're going to give him every opportunity because the alternative is 2 little guys wearing diapers. Much better having just one. Yeah, this is a potty chair. Well, I'll be darned. Tain't right. Never fails. Got things you gotta fix. Why would this? That's what happened. It's got a switch on it. Can't see that switch until you look for it. There we go. Now we're making the sounds that we expected to hear. Mimi's love this. Well, it's working. There's a little switch underneath the seat here. Turn it to off. Nothing. It has a dual volume control so you can make it louder and you can make it quieter so that your baby isn't in there flushing the toilet all night keeping you awake. Well, the potty's working. Another job done. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. And for any of you that are curious, this came from Target. And for the joy and pleasure of making noise while we poop, little man's got a thing that's cost a grand total of $30.73. Came from Target on Kalamazoo, West Maine. Only had 2 of them. According to the website, when I got there, they only had 1. So it's a good thing I went tonight. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.